In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and edit services and products in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating a new product or service and then editing it later if you need to make changes. This is a simple but important task because keeping your products and services organized in QuickBooks helps make invoicing, reporting, and day-to-day bookkeeping much easier. To get started, look to the menu on the left side of QuickBooks Online and click All Apps. This area gives you access to different parts of your account, and from there you'll want to select Inventory. Once that opens, choose Inventory again within that section. This will take you to the place where your items are managed. When you arrive on this page, you'll see your list of inventory items and services. This list is where QuickBooks stores the products you sell and the services you offer, so if you've already created items before, they should appear here. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this screen because this is where you'll return anytime you want to add something new or update an existing item. To create a new one, go to the top right corner and click New Product or Service. QuickBooks will then ask you to select the type. This is an important choice because the type determines how the item is tracked inside your books. Make sure you select the option that best matches what you're setting up. Next, enter the details for that product or service. Depending on the type you selected, QuickBooks may ask for information like the name, description, price, or other item-specific details. Fill in the information carefully so it matches how you want the item to appear and function in your account. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your new product or service is now added. If you ever need to make changes later, the process is just as straightforward. Go back to your inventory list. Find the item you want to update and click Edit on it. From there, you can adjust the details as needed and save your changes. That's all there is to it. Setting up and editing services and products in QuickBooks Online is quick and easy once you know where to go. Just remember to access Inventory from all apps, create a new item from the top right button, and use the Edit option anytime you need to update something later.